Flags up. They're ready. Racing. Luanya Elegant. Off the inside began well. God Get People didn't. Coming out very quickly is Prehistoric Power, and he's taken on quickly by Grateful Favours. Valormaster boots up on the inside almost to make a line of three at the first corner. Followed by Chinese Dream, who slipped across okay, runs fourth about one off the fence. Fifth the inside in the lime cap, Luanya Elegant. God Get People working forward on the outside of them in the white jacket. About two back, Mac Master, Stallion Treasure. Power Batteries punched along by Corrales at the tail of the field. 7.50 out. Valormaster slides through on the inside to take a narrow lead. In the centre, Grateful Favours, three deep. The outside is Prehistoric Power, followed by Chinese Dream, who's best of the rest. He runs in third. Fourth, the inside, Mac Master is not far away, followed by God Get People, a big space, Stallion Treasure, a long gap behind them then as they run towards the home turn. Then under the pump was Power Battery. Around the bend for home, Valormaster's taken on quickly by Grateful Favours. Chinese Dream comes at them on the outside. It's Grateful Favours and Chinese Dream the outside. Valormaster's still there, but he swept to the front on Chinese Dream and he darted away. This is three for Peter Lation and punched right out, a winning double for Smith, and down to the wire. Chinese Dream is going to Faddingham bolt in. He beats Grateful Favours. Third is going to be God Get People. Valormaster close up, and then came Prehistoric Power, Stallion Treasure, followed then by Power Battery. Mac Master was next, and then came at the tail of the field, Luanya Elegant. This has bolted in. He's finally broken his maiden status, and he did it in terrific fashion. Chinese Dream. Big night at the office for Peter Lation. As we look at the Grateful Favours, typical Peter Ho-Ride, he cuddled the horse, but then he had to go for him when Chinese Dream bounced on him. Valormaster had him back, getting a lovely run behind them. They opted to lead, which he's compounded very badly. Prehistoric Power, deep on the speed. He's just battle. God Get People's actually run on well for the apprentice, and he'll run into third spot, but this has been a big win for Chinese Dream. 3 has beaten 4 with the 1. God Get People running into third, and the 2 not far away, Valormaster. Head on replay, Valormaster. Well, they used him up early and they paid the penalty for that. And he dropped off tamely. But Chinese Dream didn't. He just sailed across, got a beaut run behind them. There was plenty of speed on the inside of him, and he just got that lovely run. And he had a full head of steam when he charged to the front. And has been too good for Grateful Favours. God Get People, a distant third, Prehistoric Power. And close up, Valormaster, who I think might have just scrambled on for fourth.